Oh, it's a big one, Damian! It's a boozer! Get this.
Because I can see clear 11, 30 miles out. Oh yeah, yeah. Because I can see clear 11, 30 miles out. Because I can see clear 11, 30 miles out. Oh yeah, yeah. Because I can see clear 11, 30 miles. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey! 30 miles out. 30 miles out. 30 miles.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
Love ya. You ready to get your ass kicked, Ty?
Huh? By what?
You awesome fisherman.
I put up a pretty stout fight yesterday.
Yeah, you did.
Still
You
seeing
did good.
you're still defeated.
Huh?
You were still defeated number-wise.
Probably so.
I think you made a comeback there towards the end, but it wasn't. It was too late in the game.
Watch your mouth.
I'm gonna be like a stripper. I'm gonna be on the pole today.
No, that's not PG-13, honey.
What's going on, y'all? What do we got happening today? Well, we got 2 Mirage drives and 3 boats. So I guess
No.
we're towing, huh?
We got two
I mean, two Mirage drives and 3 boats. 2 boats. And looks like Damian and I are towing Teresa all the way back to the flat. Be mindful of your rudder there, honey. Oh, Teresa, you're tied to me, honey. Yesterday, Damian threw my pliers in. Today, Teresa threw my rod in. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one, Damian. It's a head shake. What'd he hit? Gulp, let me guess. Big old gulp.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling.
Damian believes in gulp, y'all. It ain't no secret.
Board? Yeah.
Oh, so I want you to hold it up.
That'll be a 16.
16 and a half. Alright, so we're back on the flats again today. I'm pumping. Teresa's got the only other Mirage drive. And we're going to do some drifts, y'all. See what we can do. Hey man, it was great to see a flounder. Hadn't seen a flounder in a while. Just under 15. Like 14 and 3/4. Wait from him. What we got here, little guy? Great swimmer. Another hit. Right home about. Drifting a little bit, anchoring. Drifting a little bit, anchoring. Got one? It's starting to shape up into one of those days where Damian sits up front and just slays me all day. I don't know, man. I'm going to have to change up my game somewhere, somehow. modified it already.
Actually, I slimmed down. I went to a smaller fluke, 18.
Oh, there we go. How's it taking? Oh, you spit it. Man, that was aggressive.
Can you help me?
Got another big one? Can't control? Eat them on the other side though. We got too much stuff going on in the back. We got a line out here. I'm trying to help you make TV. Now I'm for sure getting tired of watching them catch fish. I'm really gonna have to change my game. If he catches another one before I catch one, y'all, I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna put my rod down. I'm gonna sunbathe. Oh, I just got. Oh, never mind. Ah! We're killing the fish. What are you doing?
Yep, damn now. All right. Oh, it's a dink red, dinker-doo. All right, little red. Woo! Little redfish. Nice little dinker red. Cute thing. Let's get you turned loose. Put you back in the water. Go grow up. Woohoo!
This boy's been catching trout after flounder after trout, and now he's hooked up on something big. It better not be no bull red. I'm gonna be pissed off. What am I, just dead weight back here? It's got to be a stingray acting like that. I dodged a bullet on this one, but I need to get my act together.
There he is. There he is. He's a behemoth.
Oh, he popped off?
I was
Trying to pop him? Stingray. What else? Is there anything you're not going to catch today? Redfish. I'm desperate now, people. Jeez. Yeah, you got some saltwater assassins in here. Hey, you know what I never tried? Down south.
Yeah.
I know you got some of those.
Yeah, Texas roach. There's a better color in there.
Better than that?
Yeah.
That's LSU, boy. I'm gonna try this one. You don't like this color?
Not out here, but I mean, try it.
Down south, let's see what we'll do. Guess down south works, huh?
Make sure you get a good shot of that.
Ooh, this is a big one, honey. I got a big one. On down south. There we go. That's a better fish, guys.
20.
18. He's an 18er. Maybe 18 and a quarter.
Nice.
You got to get off that phone.
Oh yeah. Where's he at? Woo! There we go. Of course. Woo! Getting me all wet.
So now she can catch some fish. Right here at the end of the day. Sun's going down. About to cool off. Got some, guys. Got some. Get away from my mirage, man. Big boy, Damian. The big boy, Damian. Get him in the net. Get him in the net. Damian. Stop playing. Stop playing. Hurt your hand. Stop playing. Woo. Why am I making you nervous?
Fish jumping around. Loose hook in his mouth.
That's probably the biggest one today. I done set the record today again. Oh yeah, that was a fat one, Damian. Magic chuck, people. That's a good fish.
Yeah.
Need some pictures, man. Let's lay her on the board, see where she goes. Ooh, Damian. That's a 20.
Cut you down south.
20. Well, they're just thick. Well, Texas is known for big trout. My personal best trout anywhere is at about 24, 25. I've got to get into the upper 20s, if not break 30 at some point. I can't wait. It's one of my main goals for South Texas. That was the ticket right there. We'll put another one on and slather it with my Procure. I like that size. It's just good size. I got a bait that's working for me today. I feel some momentum coming, people. He's a runner. They ain't playing with me. I'm on the fish anyway. Is it? Oh, it's a big one. Big one, Damian. I can't do net, fish, and film. Oh, it's a big one, Damian.
Give me the net. Look up here. Give me the camera.
It's a bruise. It's a bruiser.
Get the net. Y'all don't know what it's like fishing with this man. It's nerve-wracking.
It's a big one, Damian. Get him in the net.
Oh, that's a good fish. That is a really good fish. You know what it did is when I hit it with my hand, he probably bit it.
This thing's making me so nasty.
Oh my God.
It's a big fish, people. Big fish. There you go. That's the bruiser. That's the bruiser of the day.
He's gonna be 23, 24.
23. All right, haven't been back in Texas very long. This is my second 23. I can feel myself nudging up. Got to get in them upper 20s. When you're fishing with Damian, you got to stay on your toes. You got to keep changing tactics to keep up with him. You only managed a couple of dinks today. What happened to your mojo, Teresa? I'm getting worried.
Don't worry, I'll kick your booty next time.
It sure was a fun day, and that spring bite is on, y'all. Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome.
What y'all heading back this way?
What's the name?
Kyle.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Kyle.
to meet y'all. Yeah. Yeah, we went out in the boat. Just didn't do much.
No?
Yeah, we kind of got a late start. How about y'all?
Oh, wow.
Oh, man. Nice. Got them on the flats.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
On YouTube.
Yes, ma'am.
I've seen you.
Yeah.
Where's your wife? Is your
That's
wife?
her.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's us.
Yeah.
Where y'all from? Portland?
Yeah. Ah, okay, because we've been watching YouTube in Pensacola, like
Yeah.
catching fish. You love it in here.
Yeah, we miss it.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah, it's home. All our family's here.
Yeah.